Have you used cardamom for cooking? Cardamom essential oil is commonly used internally to help soothe occasional stomach discomfort. It is a close relative to ginger. Cardamom is known for an expensive cooking spice. It has a profound effect on the respiratory system. The natives of Southeast Asia have added cardamom to the traditional Indian sweets and teas for its cool, minty aroma and flavor. Common uses are digestive support, headaches, inflammation, muscle aches, nausea, and respiratory ailments, helps with loss of appetite, bronchitis, colic, flatulence, halitosis, mental fatigue, sciatica, ulcers, vomiting, and may help with menstrual periods, menopause and nervous indigestion, and a lot more. And this is what it looks like in the bottle, and this is a 5 milliliter bottle. Keep it out of the reach of children. If you are pregnant, nursing, or under doctor's care, be sure to consult your physician before using. Thank you for being with us today. Have a wonderful day. Take care and see you again soon.